to me and to 1,000 other people, that's no problem. We all get the same movie. But if you recommend the same restaurant to 1,000 people, that's a problem. They'll all go to the restaurant and it'll be full. If you recommend the same path from here to the airport to everyone, that's a problem. There'll be congestion. If you recommend the same stock purchase to everyone because they have a little money to invest, and you recommend to 500 million Chinese all buy this stock, that's a problem. It destabilizes the market. Now, so you're having to think about problems that an individual human never had to think about. You're not trying to create an artificial intelligence. You're trying to create a system that doesn't destabilize the market, that does find good paths for all people, that makes restaurant recommendations so that you match producers and consumers. So now there's an economic perspective, and I think this is something China can help lead in, and not just thinking about building a single entity like a human, but building a system and an economic system that brings at large scale value between producers and consumers. So those are technical ideas, but they're also social ideas and economic ideas. And we draw on all of these disciplines, not just one particular technology of deep neural networks, many, many exciting things can start to happen.
So other than CNN, what are some of the other technical solutions that you can provide
Oh,
to solve all these?
There are hundreds of them, but CNN is an older technology from the 1980s, which has just turned out to be really good for one task, labeling images, labeling speech.
Could you name a few?
There are
others,
dimension reduction schemes, there are clustering schemes, there are recommendation schemes, there is reinforcement learning schemes, there are bandit algorithms. And I could go on for quite some time. There are literally about 100 things in my toolbox that I use. Latent terrestrial allocation is something we've developed that takes text and reduces the description of a text, so you can use it for purposes of prediction. So finance industry uses that a great deal to decide whether a company looks like it's doing well or not, depending on what's being written about the company. This is called sentiment analysis. So when I consult in industry, I will look at the